Hello Vivekians, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe with your family. Welcome to the School from Home program. I'm your Indu ma'am and this is your maths class. We will continue chapter 3 Money. Till now, you have learnt about currency notes and coins, counting money and shopping. And today we will learn to compare rupee and add the coins. So topic is comparing and adding numbers using currency. And lesson objectives are to learn the value of currency notes and coins and compare and add numbers using currency notes and coins. Let's come to the page number 66 and 67. Yes, now write here today's date. Let's read. Write the proper signs in the given circles. Student, before doing this, let's remind how to put sign to compare the numbers. So students, here you can see greater than, less than, equal to. The alligator's mouth is always open towards the greater number. It means alligator हमेशा अपना माउथ किस नंबर की तरफ ओपन रखता है? जो नंबर ग्रेटर होता है, बिगर होता है. So let's see. In first here given 24 and 42. So which one is bigger? 42. That is why open mouth toward the 42. So let's see the next one. Here is given 42 and 24. So which one is greater? 42 and open mouth toward 42. Now let's see the next one. Use of sign of equal. So here you have given 42 and 42. 4 tens and 2 ones. Same here. Both sides same value is given. So we will put the sign of equal. So now let's come to the page number 66. Same sign can be used with money. Now let's see A part. Here is 50 rupees note is given and this side 20 rupees note is given. So which one is greater? Yes, 50 rupees note. So put sign like this. Yes. Now move to the B part. A coin of 2 rupees and this side a coin of 5 rupees. So which one is greater? Think. Yes, because alligator wants to eat bigger one. So we will put sign like this. Now move to the next one. C part. A note of 5 rupees and here is a coin of 10 rupees. So students, which one is greater? Yes, 10 rupee coin. So put sign like this. Now move to the next part. D part. Students, a coin of 1 rupee is given this side and this side also a coin of 1 rupee. So both sides have equal value now. So what will we do? We will write here sign of equal. So I hope you have understood well. Let's do the next page number 67. Add the coins. Students, here you can see we have piggy banks. और piggy banks में हमें different coins को add करना है. Yesterday you have learnt ना how to add the coins. So let's start. In A part, here are 2 coins of 1 rupee. So, how to add? Yes, keep rupee 1 in your mind and open one finger. Now count after 1. Yes, it is 2. Now write here rupee 2 in first box. In this side, you can see 4 coins of 1 rupee. It means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, write here rupee 4 in the second box. Now, let's add all together. Keep 2 in mind and open 4 fingers. Now, count after 2. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, write here rupee 6. Let's see the B part. Students, here is the first piggy. We have 3 coins of 2 rupees. So, first of all, we will add the value of these coins. So, keep rupee 2 in your mind and open 2 fingers. Now count after 2. 3, 4. Now keep rupee 4 in your mind and open 2 more fingers. Yes, and count after 4. 5, 6. So here we write rupee 6. Students, let's see the second piggy now. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 coins of 2 rupees. अब हम इन्हें ऐड करेंगे. So keep rupee 2 in your mind and open 2 fingers. Now count after 2, 3 and 4. Now keep rupee 4 in your mind and open 2 fingers and count after 4, 5 and 6. Now keep rupee 6 in your mind and open 2 fingers. Count after 6, 7, 8. Now keep rupee 8 in your mind and open 2 fingers. Count after 8, 9 and 10. So student, we will write here rupees 10. Now what to do? Yes, we will add these rupees all together. So keep rupee 6 in your mind and open 10 fingers. Now count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So here we will write rupees 16. So students, next one, try yourself. I hope you have understood the concept well. To compare money and add the coins, so complete page 66 and 67 in your maths course book. This is your maths practice book and do page 27 and 28. It's my humble request to the parents, please assist their kid to complete it neatly. This is all for the day. Kindly follow the given instructions. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.